Matt shoot it.
Let me shoot it, dude.
I would.
It's an eye for an eye, my friend.
I can easily get you.
Just shoot it. See the accuracy? All
That's
right.
really nice.
More.
Let me see that shit, dude. Let me see that shit, dude.
Dude.
Waste all those balls.
How does it feel, Dawson?
Dude, put this on. It feels hilarious. You still feel
I'll
it.
try, dude.
What's it feel like? Just like little boom, boom.
Ready?
Yeah.
Look at him joking. Let's get my face.
Oh.
It's just splattering on your face. Holy shit.
I know,
Oh my
dude.
god.
Sorry.
That's okay.
Oh, look at the splatter.
Yeah, Jude.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, it's way harder to trip it than yours.
I told you.
Oh, that's the most hilarious picture ever.
Whatever makes you happy, dude, you know?
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, fuck. Dude, actually, we're pretty stable up there.
Yeah, when there's two people.
We had trouble with grip.
Fight.
Like I took a wood stuck in my foot.
You calling me?
Ready?
I said fight.
Oh.
Nice.
Ready? Yeah. 1, 2.
Joust.
Fuck. I win!
Nice job, Dustin.
Yeah, Dustin.
You're gonna die for that bitch. I got a tactic that will never fail.
It'd be even more dangerous on top of the dome.
There's creature.
You count down. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh shit.
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Wait, God damn it.
You started like way too late.
No, I didn't. We might have. Fuck. Alright, that's enough of that.
You're like a spider monkey, Dustin. That. And Dustin said, spider monkey versus the bear.
Fuck off. That was.
Alright.